What's up, dude?
Good morning!
Dude, I got a Tito's fan pack. Orange slice. Orange slice in the fanny pack.
Dude, the camera comes out and real Maddie he went on this whole I don't want to be on camera. I'm tired. So we're at the Sharon Golf Club.
Good, but
Golf stuff.
So, you guys want a golf towel though?
There's so many people right here staring at me. We are at the 5 Alarm Fairway Classic. Come look at the logo. Couple of social lounge. Savannah got that up there. All these vendors came together today. Bag on the floor. Bag on the floor is money out the door. Did your grandma ever teach you that? No.
Hi.
He's getting back into his golf. He wasn't a pro, but like in my heart he was.
What about this?
Oh, you have a bug on, yeah?
Yeah, I used to work at a golf course, guys. Not anymore though. I'm retired.
Retired.
So now,
Retired to Michael Hamway's
now
assistant.
to golf courses. But
He's celebrity appearances at golf courses. So Savannah actually thought ahead. She brought Blue Lotus with her instead of Kratom or Kava. I had a feeling. Sandwiched in between the Hooters girls and the Tito's ladies.
2400.
We're having a good day.
neither going to confirm nor deny that we spent a lot of money on these.
What's your definition of a lot?
$10. Getting high on the supply. That's exactly what we need in our YouTube video.
Blue Lotus, baby. Watermelon Wasteland. It has watermelon, passion fruit, agave, and special juice. Shit's delicious.
No.
One of breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Tito's.
Can't drink all day if you don't start in the morning.
Yeah, you can't drink. You can't day drink if you don't start in the morning.
Love that. That's hilarious.
I don't know. Yeah, we were promised that the Tobbs were gonna be here. The Tobb family, the alleged Tobb family. I think I'm autistic, dude. I can't look directly at the camera. I'm like right all around it.
If the Tobb family's watching this, just know we're not
mad.
We're not impressed.
We're not.
We're really not. Unless we see you. That would change my entire day.
Maddie and I were talking about what we're gonna do when we're done with this, because we're both off after this. The options are, I make him go bowl a tournament with me that he's never bowled. We go golfing. Or Or we go sit at Kava like we do every day.
Like every single day of our lives.
Probably gonna be the last.
I'm gonna go hit my vape.
Yeah, Vanessa, we're gonna leave you at the table. We'll be back. Got some towels.
Talking like 2 minutes.
Go do Travis. Hand out some towels. You look great.
And they're gonna have the Kava logo on their golf towel forever.
Logo tattooed on him. Oh my god. What? Because the Chicago Bears logo tattooed on him.
How many bands that cost?
We need to start a new bit about getting sponsored by Lululemon. Lululemon, if you're watching this is my first official bid for a company sponsorship. Please, I made this myself. Please don't send me a cease and desist, by the way. Yes.
Cannot be doing that, man.
Seriously, sponsor us, please. Please. I just want Maddie to go get some Hooters discount coupons so we can go have lunch after.
Yo, that's a great idea. That's a great idea. Might have to do that. We might have to do that. Not yet.
One of the girls just eat chicken bar. Free golf towels for everyone. Golf towels. That one looks dingy. So we going back to Kava after this?
Absolutely. Yeah. For a little bit. Cool. Oh fuck! I gotta go feed my dog. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he didn't feed Rosie.
God,
Angie.
We gotta cut
Angie,
that.
if you're watching this, he did not feed Rosie this morning. Oh, I have pictures. Hold on.
I send her pictures all the time of my dog.
It's literally the best part of my day. That's Rosie. She has heterochromia. She has one blue eye and one brown eye.
Wait, shit, maybe I'll bring her in later.
She gets nervous.
She's really like skittish, so like I don't know. What if I go home, feed her, then bring her to the bar?
I'm dog sitting for Melissa. We could have a dog play date.
Alright, that's what I'm doing. I'll bring Rosie to the bar later.
I can't wait for this golf tournament to start so I can steal one of those yogurt parfaits back there.
That's really what we came here for.
Yeah, that's facts.
The setup's sick. That's amazing. He like flipped it to his ear.
Get a picture of that guy with his towel. Come on. God, eat it. Okay. Kava golf towels on sale now. $4.99 in the bar.
We got $2.50. We only got about $2.20 left, so not bad. Yeah, put it back. Getting to how we came here.
Pro bowler thing, you know. PWBA, if you need anybody, please call me. PBA, more specifically. Oh yeah, they're doing a hole-in-one contest. That if somebody gets a hole-in-one, they're giving away a Porsche, I think.
Yeah, you need to get out there.
Maddie's like, get the fucking...
Get your ass out there right now.
One of our regulars showed us this event. I try to sponsor, you know, at least like a couple events a month, whether it's community events, fundraisers, things like that. Couple of really like, we have a big focus on like community and like being a part of it and like being out here with everybody and like meeting people and, you know, just doing what we can and, you know, sponsoring the firefighters for this golf tournament was really important for us. So we're glad to be here and hang out with everybody. So it's been a good time. Bye-bye. Thanks for hanging out with us.